Alright, so I'm working on the dump truck, and I determined that there's a problem with the range cylinder. It's not shifting from high to low. So basically the transmission is stuck in high range. And on this transmission, that thing there is the air regulator, and then on it is it's attached to that there is part of the range cylinder. See if I can get a better view. Fortunately here they have different fittings, so for the pipes, for the hoses, so it's impossible to get them wrong. Yeah, so the next step is to remove. Ideally, I wanted to get the range cylinder out without having to remove the air regulator, but actually I might not have to remove that air regulator. The whole thing might come together. But I did have to remove the hoses because there was no way I could get to the bolts. So, well, we're leaking a little bit of oil there too. Right, I'll see you in the next part of this video.